Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Eating honey every day will do this to your body. Few things in nature are sweeter than honey. There are seemingly endless ways to enjoy its lusciously delicious taste, from adding it to a bowl of oatmeal at breakfast to slathering it on a peanut butter sandwich for an on-the-go lunch to mixing it into a homemade marinade or barbecue sauce at dinner time. Here are what happens to your body when you eat honey every day. Number 1. Honey gives your body the antioxidants it needs to fight free radicals. Honey is a rich source of antioxidants, but the quantity and variety of antioxidants in any individual honey depend on which flowers the bees fed from beforehand. In general, the antioxidant capacity of honey appeared to be a result of the combined activity of a wide range of compounds including phenolics, peptides, organic acids, enzymes, Maillard reaction products, and possibly other minor components. Number 2. Get rid of a pesky cough. Whether you opt for an all-natural homemade concoction with tea and lemon or simply reach for a bag of Ricola, you're probably no stranger to honey when you're trying to soothe a stubborn cough. Honey is not a cure for cough, but a substance that can decrease its intensity. Number 3. Eating honey every day could improve your cholesterol. High cholesterol is a big problem in the United States. An estimated 93 million American adults have a total cholesterol level greater than 200 mg per deciliter, and approximately 29 million of those individuals have levels higher than 240 mg. Number 4. Lower your blood pressure by eating honey. Could honey really improve your cardiovascular health? In a 2011 study conducted on rodents, and published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, researchers found that honey reduced systolic blood pressure of diabetic rats. The study authors credited honey's antioxidant content for this drop in blood pressure. Number 5. A daily dose of honey may cause spikes in your blood sugar levels. It may seem like honey is a healthier sweetener than white sugar, but it actually has more sugar than sucrose. A tablespoon of white sugar contains 40 calories and 12 grams of sugar, while a tablespoon of honey packs 64 calories and 17.3 grams of sugar. Number 6. Treat a troubled tummy with honey. You may have never heard the word gastroenteritis before, but you're probably all too familiar with this unpleasant condition. More commonly called the stomach flu, gastroenteritis is an infection of the digestive tract caused by viruses, bacteria or other germs. Abdominal cramping, vomiting, and diarrhea are the hallmark symptoms of gastroenteritis, and the infection usually clears up within a few days. Number 7. Honey may speed wound healing. Long before the advent of modern antibiotics, honey was used to heal wounds and prevent infection. Hydrogen peroxide is the primary component of most honeys that gives them bacteria-killing properties. But some forms of honey have different, more powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.